everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first visit, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm participating in the Spring April 2020 challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi, and the theme this month is Farmhouse. I will leave the link to Heidi's channel in the description box, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos of all the people who are participating in this challenge this month. So please pay a visit to to her channel and the playlist. Heidi's channel is really interesting. She does everything, you name it, she does it. And besides that, she's an awesome woman. I admire her a lot. Let's get into the DIY. For this DIY, I'm using this cutting board. I bought it at a local store, and I'm also using this wreath, which is from Dollar Tree. The ribbon is, I bought it online, so it's from China. I bought it on eBay. So I wrap it with the ribbon and I made this bow that I have already glued. I'm also using from Dollar Tree this windmill. It comes hanging from this thingy, this triangle, and the sign, the welcome sign, goes here. So I unmounted everything because I'm going to use just the windmill and the sign. The original color of both items is this one. I painted the sign white. I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum, and I painted this silver with this Edge metallic paint and primer from Rust-Oleum. The color is Weather Steel. I love it. And then I distressed it with my beloved, as I always say, liquid shoe polish. This one is from Family Dollar because I couldn't get it at Dollar Tree when I need it, but Dollar Tree carries this same thing. And as you can see, it really looks like rusted once it dries. At the very beginning it's really liquid, but when it dries it really looks like rusted. I love how it looks. I want to add this sign here, the wreath here, and I want the windmill in the center, but I don't want it touching the wreath. So I looked for a screw that could fit inside the hole, and something. I looked around because, you know, you can't go out and buy anything now with the crazy virus. So I used this doorknob that I had around, and the screw is thinner than the hole, so I filled the hole with some Teflon tape that I had around. So I'm going to place the screw here, so the windmill is going to be kind of floating on top and not touching the wreath. Oops. So, and I'm going to add these flowers to give the whole thing a springy look. So first I made a mark to see where I'm going to place the flowers. I'm going to glue everything with the hot glue right now, but then I'm going to use E6000 to make sure nothing is going to come off. But right now, to make this quicker, I think it's going this way. Yes. Let me use my protector and try to hold it for a moment till the glue dries. I'm also gluing. I made a mark where I want to place this doorknob. Again, I will use E6000. If I will wait and see, maybe it is not going to move, but otherwise I will add E6000. Now I'm going to add the wreath, also with hot glue. It's kind of singing, my glue gun is kind of singing. I need another stick. Quickly before it dries. Oh my god, it doesn't want to get inside. So, oh my goodness, what's going on with this? Okay, let's see. If I can add this here. I want it a little bit up, so I can add this sign here. I'm out of frame as usual. Well, I think I will have to add E6000 for sure. Let me see if I can. Just to show you right now how is, which is the final look that I'm going for, and then I will glue it better. I don't want to make a 50 minutes video. So I think for now it's going to work if I hold it for a moment. This sign, I wanted to have 2 screws here and here. So once all this pandemic is a thing of the past, I'm going to ask my son-in-law, who has the tools, to make the holes for the screws. So right now I'm going just to add some hot glue, and then add it here, and it's going to work for a while. Okay, now I'm going to add the windmill. Like so. It's not centered, but I don't mind. I like it anyways. I just learned the other day that to say anyways is wrong. The right word is anyway. But I love saying anyways. Anyways, I'm going to say anyway. Okay, so as you can see, this is very quick and easy to make. The preparations may take more time, like wrapping the wreath, painting the signs, the sign and the windmill. But other than that, just putting everything together, it takes a few minutes. And I really like the look. Of course, I'm kind of a perfectionist, so even though I said I don't mind that it's not centered, I know I'm going to remove this and center it. But I don't want to do this right now because I think you can see what I'm trying to make here. And I hope you like it and give you some inspiration. I want to thank Heidi for hosting this challenge and all of you for watching. Please again visit her channel and the playlist with all the videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope to see you in my next one and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.